so I never gave a cookie up. And that's why I got your wife on the line, man. And I hope she gets every single diamond ring.
It's kind of funny, I did it twice now while riding this today. I go and I try to ride it like the Beamer with the quick shifter. This obviously does not have a quick shifter, but it still shifted pretty good without the clutch. I just speed shifting. I'm used to using the quick shifter now, apparently. And it doesn't have a slipper clutch. So, yeah, I gotta keep that in mind. Right, we made it to the shop. Not just any shop, we're at TTP, we're at a truck shop. If they can build trucks like that, I imagine they have the stuff to change out the tires on a Magna. I hope. Alright, we made it up to TTP. I'm gonna put the tires on the Magna. Well, I'm not gonna do it. Tony's gonna do it. He knows how to work the machine, but I'm gonna help out just a little bit. Oh, we can ride this Magna. We haven't ridden it in a while, so.
Like la 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 la. I love you like la 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 la. I love you like la 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 la. I love you like la.
All right, we officially have fresh rubber on the Magna. Thanks to Tony over here at TTP. These are the guys. I don't know if you've been to OCC on Tuesday nights, but they have a truck show that they do every week, which is super cool. They got all these giant trucks with all these Kelderman kits on it. You've probably seen the video on social media of the back tires literally exploding on Tony's truck. Starting a fire in the burnout pit. That was exciting. All right, so the Magna is officially ready to go, at least with the new tires. I still gotta do the forks, I gotta do the brakes, a couple other things, but it's actually better than it's ever been. But tonight, I'm actually gonna jump on the Beamer. We've got bike night over at OCC, and I have a feeling tonight's gonna be an exciting night.
Yo, this is about to really hurt some people's feelings, so if you a little sensitive, you might as well turn this joint off right now, okay? How you afraid to drop a dime when you already dropped a dime? Got a wife at home, but you steady on my line. Talking about shorty, you remember when I grind slow? Did I really blow your mind though?
All right, we officially made it out to Roadhouse, which is also right next to Berts. This is the whole compound out here. Right now I'm standing in the burnout pit, which is, we can see this. We're doing some burnouts tonight. We got some free tires we're gonna give away to the burnout contestants. See what kind of show they put on. If you haven't been out here yet, you gotta come check this place out. We got, I don't know, we probably got 200 bikes here right now. It's early, more bikes are on the way. We've got sport bikes, we've got cruisers, we've got trikes, Rikers, slingshots. We even got a Pantera out here. We've got some vets, a little bit of everything out here. The guys, they're talking business. What's up? What's up, everyone?
Leave us, stop looking down at me. I'm not an evil heathen. I'm 24 years old and never sold my soul. I went to college to get more knowledge. I upped my pedigree by fixing my credit B. I went across the stage and got my degree. I'm in the middle of my prime with a full-time job.
Alright, so we had people lined up for the burnout pit, and nobody is lined up now because everybody kind of decided not to do it. But we're gonna recruit people, and we're gonna do a burnout tonight.
Okay, look, we got some people here. We got some more bikes coming up.
We got some burnout. We got Clive in the pit.
This right here is for you that crossed the line. All up in the club screaming, did you walking up to me, trying to cop the feel, whispering in my ear, talking about your $1 million. Nah, that's cap, you got a million baby mamas. And Jazzy walked away cause she ain't even about the drama. Don't ever in your life try to put your hands on me. I know hood niggas in the trap that'll switch you like a Kit Kat and short till you wake like who did that. I have to throw you over the escalades and broke junction for your sick escapades. How do you fix your crusty ass lips to say that a black woman ain't beautiful? Now with all that dirt built.
It's free, baby!
Yeah!
Fucking free!
Yeah! Bert's giving out tires.
Hell yeah, baby!
That one right there is free, baby. Free.
What's up?
Hey, dude, that was fucking badass.
That's awesome, right?
Yeah, it was.
Hell yeah.
What's
It's
up?
your turn, boy.
Ah,
Yeah.
Give me that camera time, baby.
Woo, woo. It's a good ass night, huh?
No rain in sight. Incredible. People were dying to ride.
Bro, tonight was awesome.
He brought his car tonight, but he's a real rider.
Yeah, what is up with that, dude?
What is that?
What is up with that?
What is that?
Real rider that drives. We got Star out here. Yeah. Are you riding tonight?
I am.
Nice.
I don't look like it, but I am. My bike's slow anyways.
That's true. It's true. It's time to upgrade.
Yeah. Seth, you're gonna co-sign for me?
I'll co-sign for you.
Awesome.
Got the M. We came to OCC. We came to the Berts and the OCC compound for the night, and we killed it. Tonight was amazing. We had burnouts. We had a million people here. I'm exhausted, but it was a hell of a night. Follow the page, and we'll tell you the next time we're gonna do the burnout competition. Anyway, until next time.
Yeah, boy.